Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the 5th and Fido Breath Buddy Dog Dental Powder. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This dental powder is a great option for cats and dogs to help freshen their breaths. The zeolite naturally absorbs any odor-causing compounds, while the pomegranate helps reduce odor-causing bacteria. And this powder works great compared to other options like dental chews or others in the market, and we're able to have a noticeable difference within a matter of a week of starting to use this. I also love that it is gentle on sensitive stomachs with natural ingredients like soothing marshmallow root and chamomile to help calm the digestion. And the natural bacon flavor is exciting for the dogs to enjoy as well. If you are in the market for a high quality, gentle way to clean your pet's teeth, this is definitely worth looking into.